Welcome back to Crypto Clarity for Kids. In our last episode, we learned that cryptocurrency is digital money. Today, we'll discover how it works. Let's make it fun and simple. Imagine you and your friends are playing a game of tag, and everyone keeps score. Every time someone tags another, you all write it down in a shared notebook. This notebook makes sure no one cheats. Now, think of this notebook as a digital ledger that everyone can see and verify. In the world of cryptocurrency, this ledger is called the blockchain. Just like in your game, every transaction is recorded and cannot be altered. This ensures transparency and trust among all participants. Instead of using physical money, cryptocurrencies use this digital ledger to keep track of all transactions. This way, everyone knows exactly what is happening, and no one can manipulate the system. It's a secure and decentralized way to manage and exchange value, much like your game of tag but on a global scale. But who writes in this digital notebook? Computers all around the world do. These computers, often referred to as nodes, are interconnected in a vast network. They work tirelessly, day and night, solving complex mathematical puzzles. These puzzles are not just any ordinary problems. They are cryptographic challenges that ensure the security and integrity of the transaction. Once a computer successfully solves one of these puzzles, it verifies the transaction's authenticity. This process is known as mining. After verification, the transaction is added to a block, which is then linked to the previous block, forming a chain. This chain of blocks is what we call the blockchain. It's a decentralized and transparent ledger maintained by countless computers globally, ensuring trust and security in the digital world. What's cool? Nobody can erase or change the list once it's written. This makes cryptocurrency super safe and fair. So, cryptocurrency works because of this amazing digital notebook called the blockchain. This digital ledger is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity. Instead, it's maintained by a network of computers all around the world. Each transaction is recorded in a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain. This system ensures that every transaction is transparent and secure. Everyone in the network helps keep it safe and honest by verifying transactions. Pretty awesome, right? In our next video, we'll dive deeper into how cryptocurrency is different from regular money. We'll explore its unique features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. So, if you're curious about the future of money and how it might change the way we think about finance, don't miss it. Stay tuned and keep learning with us.